guys, it's Cookie Kitten here. As you can see, I've already opened this MetaBang Pro up, and I am gonna be making some channel work because I've had this old thing for a long time. In the next video, I'm going to be remaking this top part, but for now, this bottom part is what I'm focusing on. And so I've already laid out the background, and I have this. I added a few things. I just added her name up top, added some color choices. So to make sure that I keep true to design, have this so that I can do it on this. So first I'm going to take her basic color, which is this color, and I'm going to go over here and make another layer, because I don't want her being on the same layer as the background. And I'm just going to go to a sizable brush and start making her basic shape. And here we have her so far. She's going to be a pretty good looking thing, I hope. And it's just gonna be how it's gonna be. I'm gonna make her standing again. But she's gonna be in a little bit more of a advanced pose. So she's gonna be like this. Just making the basic, what I call base. I explained this in the last video. I call this thing a base, but truly I make them on my own, so they aren't what most people think of when you use the word base. So I suggest if you're going out onto the other places, then you should probably just keep calling it something else. Something else that you made up. Because is there ever truly a name for something? Anyway, I'm just filling in all this design. Well, it's not really a design yet. It's really just this. Not amazing. Not earth-breaking or anything. It's just drawing. I'm mediocre at best, I would say, and just an average artist trying to get better. So yeah, I also have started a deviant art, so you can check that out in a minute after this video. So yes. We just have the colors blocked in. Okay, now I'm going to be right back when I have the rest of the colors blocked in and the meat on these bones. Okay, I'm just finishing putting on the meat onto these bones. And look at this. It's okay. Now I'm going to go back to this helpfulness. That's the same color. Just looks contrasty. Now I'm going to take a little snag of that color, and I'm going to start filling in the pattern. So, let me just lay down the basic pattern. Not any of the dots yet. So, I personally would never have anybody animate this, if I'm asking other people to animate it, because it has so many design traits that it would be hard to keep track of, and they would literally go flying off into space. So I'm instead just gonna, if I end up animating her, I'm gonna animate her myself. I might have to change the design a little again, and that will be something. These are really just chats. This is chatting while drawing, very much. And I'm almost done with her tail. Why did I make her tail so extremely big? So, after I fill in the pattern, I'm gonna be away for a minute, and I'm going to just fix little details about it that bother me, like the little overlapping of colors that are showing, and then the unsmoothness of stuff. So the little things that bother me, I'm gonna fix up after I just finish laying in this color, laying in her back legs. Right now she just really looks like a Siamese cat without the, marking yet on her nose. And I'm gonna finish putting in her legs. And here we go. So this is really just going to be a series of videos that are going to just be me talking while drawing channel art so that you can kind of see how it's made. And I'll be right back to just fix up some of my little details. And I am back. I fixed up a few little details that were really bothering me, like the fat tail, the legs being a little wonky, the ears being a little wonky, that stuff. Yeah, you could see a significant difference if you just put them side by side. But now I'm going to get onto a separate layer, and I'm going to make it so I have the little eyes and mouth. And I'm putting the other pieces of pattern on a different layer. So, yes. I need to get the select tool and just select that heart. Go into this and need to make sure I get her designs right. A dot there. Doop. A dot there. Doop. A dot there. Ooh. This is also a little bit bigger than the other one. And then 2 dots there. And that little nose. Okay. Doop. That's way too big. How about I just go Control Z to that and make it a little bit smaller. Dot there. Dot there. Right? Well, kinda. That. I'm changing that dot to there. Okay. And now I'm just gonna go into the eraser, tiny it down, just erase that. And here is Cookie Kitten's pattern. Very simple, I know. And just to finish it off, to make it very nice, I'm gonna add a little nose pattern. It kind of goes like that. Yeah. And then up between her eyes. I don't know what breed of cat Cookie Kitten is. She's like Siamese, I think. I mean, with this new design, she looks more Siamese than ever. And need to just finish off the face details. And there we go. We got Cookie Kitten's entire pattern. I wanna just make it so it can wrap around a tinier nose, because I like to make my cats with really tiny noses. There. And now I can I'm gonna be right back when I'm done with the face, and you'll see the finished version. And here is the channel art finished to replace it. So, guys, thanks for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more drawing videos. Tell me what types of drawing videos too. And remember, I love you, my cookie crumbles. Bye!